Question number 2, first subdivision. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. So we are going to solve this and find which of this is the correct answer. First we will substitute the values. The given question is 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan squared 30 degree. We know that tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole squared. So we are going to have 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3, because when you square this 1 into 1 is 1, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now taking LCM in the denominator, we will have 2 by root 3, this is the numerator. In the denominator LCM is going to be 3. Now since the denominator here is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, so multiply numerator also by 3. 1 into 3 is 3 plus 1. Then you will have 2 by root 3. I am going to take this to the numerator. This is nothing but 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 3. When you take it to the numerator, it will become upside down. So you will have 3 by 4. This is nothing but, when you cancel 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. 3 is nothing but it is root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 and 1 root 3 can be cancelled. Then the final answer will be root 3 by 2. The final answer is going to be root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. So that is going to be sin 60 degree. This is our correct answer. Question number 2, subdivision 2. They have given 1 minus tan squared 45 degree by 1 plus tan squared 45 degree. Solving this, we are going to find which of these 4 choices is the correct answer. Substituting the values, we will have 1 minus tan 45 degree is 1. So we will have 1 squared by 1 plus tan 45 degree is 1. So we are going to have 1 squared. That is going to be 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 0 divided by 2, that is equal to 0. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 2, third subdivision. The question is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to, for what value of angle a that condition is true. That is what we have to find. So we will check with one by one all the angles given here. Sin 2a is going to be, when you substitute 0, we will have sin 0 degree is equal to 2 times sin 0 degree. 0 equal to 0. So it is correct, true. Then when you substitute 30 degree, we will have sin 2 times 30 degree, that is 60 degree is equal to 2 into sin 30 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 equal to 2 into 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So this condition is not true. When you substitute 45 degree, you will have sin 2 into 45 degree is 90 degree equal to 2 times sin 45 degree. Sin 90 degree is 1. Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So you can see that when you cancel, you will have only root 2. 1 is not equal to root 2. So this condition is also not correct. Then when you substitute 60 degree, you can see that when you substitute 60 degree, sin 2 into 60 degree is 120 degree, which you don't have in your syllabus at all, is equal to 2 times sin 60 degree. This is also not correct. It is going to be false. So the first option is the correct option. When you substitute 0, you get this relationship to be correct. So angle A 0 degree is the correct answer. Subdivision 4. We have to solve this and check which of these choices is correct. First we will substitute the values. The question is 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan squared 30 degree. Value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole squared. So we are going to have 2 by root 3. In the denominator we will have 1 minus 1 by 3. Because when you square 1 it is 1. Root 3 when you square it is 3. Now taking LCM in the denominator we will have 2 by root 3 in the numerator. In the denominator when you take LCM 3 is the LCM. So we are going to have 3 minus 1 by 3 which is 2 by 3. 2 by root 3 into, I am going to take this to the numerator. This is actually 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. When you take it to the numerator it will become upside down, that is you will have 3 by 2. So this 2 and 2 can be cancelled. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So cancelling 1 root 3 and 1 root 3 you will be left with the other root 3. Finally you have only root 3. Root 3 is nothing but tan 60 degree. The value of tan 60 degree is root 3. So out of these 4 choices, C is the correct answer.